Hi everyone, let's take a quick 2-minute walkthrough of axlviman, our all-in-one drone management platform built to make drone operations smarter, faster, and fully compliant. Getting started is simple. Just sign up with your email, phone number, and basic details. Location access is essential. Viman relies on it to show you if you're in a fly-safe zone or a restricted airspace based on DGCA regulations in India. The homepage opens with a real-time map centered around your current location. You will see color-coded zones, whether it's a restricted or good-to-fly area, and get instant weather updates to help you plan your missions with confidence. Your profile gives a snapshot of your entire operation, number of drones, pilots, and business info. It's where you configure details for invoicing and payments. In the drones section, you can register all your UAVs with photos, IDs, and specs. You will also find customizable pre-flight and post-flight checklist to ensure every mission starts and ends by the book. Need to edit, delete, or search through drones? It's all here. Next is projects, your mission command center. Whether you're surveying a property or inspecting infrastructure, you can log projects, assign drones and pilots, track flight progress, and maintain logs day by day. Projects can be filtered by status or dates, making it easy to manage large operations. Need that final green light on a project? We have made it easier and more secure. Projects can be marked as complete after a real-time signature is captured. It's simple, just sign it live right from your device for that extra layer of verification. Each project can generate multiple invoices, perfect for billing by milestones or phases. Once paid, simply mark them as complete. Quick, clean, and perfect for finance tracking. That's axlviman, streamlining drone operations from takeoff to invoicing. Stay tuned and be ready to fly smarter with Viman.